Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Saturday Morning Crafts. This is hosted by my friends Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, and Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. Hi ladies, thank you for hosting this collaboration. This collaboration is a group of us ladies just inspiring you to use your metal dies. So there are several of us in this collaboration, so please check the description box below so that you can follow along on this collaboration today. Excuse me. All right, so I'm going to start by sharing with you the dies that I used. I used this super cute coffee cup. It looks like this, and it comes with the little whip topping and a little heart. I also use this set right here. It comes with a stocking. Looks like that. It's super huge. Really fun. I used this postage looking style die right here. Really cute. I used my small pink and main bow dies, which I absolutely love. And then I also used this little die right here. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to share with you the little coffee cups that I made. They can be used as embellishments or they can be used as tags. I'll share with you the Halloween ones that I made first. This is the first one that I made, and of course I have to layer everything with heavyweight cardstock. I did use some glitter from Recollections because I was trying to make a Halloween themed, and I guess some of the glitter rubbed off, but it's still super cute. And then I did die cut out a bat, and he is on foam to give it dimension. And then this is the back, really fun. So I can add this to a project. And then I also made this one, again, using that glitter from Recollections, that super cute little bow die from Pink and Main. And then I die cut out a black heart. And this is the back of this one. I did add black glitter to the back of this one. Really fun. You can attach it to like a treat bag or a gift bag. I think that'd be super cute. And then these are a couple of the Christmas ones that I made using the Santa Baby collection. And I think these are absolutely adorable as well. This is the back of this one. And then this is the back of this one. Really pretty. And then the last two that I made look like this. And I just used some fun pattern paper. I actually used another die to create this little star. It kind of looks like a little hanging ornament, and then I die cut out the word Mary. And then this is the back of this one, and this one I created it to be a Christmas tag so I could put it to a gift or attach it to a gift. And I used another die from my stash to die cut out the to and the from. And so it's just on white cardstock so I can write the names, you know, on the back. So I really love this tag, and I love this idea, using this little mug as a gift tag for Christmas presents. And this is the other one that I made, which is absolutely adorable. Kind of reminds me of like sweater, like weather paper, I don't know. But this one is super cute as well. I used some glitter cardstock for the whip topping, and then this is the back of this one. So really fun die, and I had a lot of fun playing with this, and I do plan on creating some more of these, making the Christmas tags. I absolutely love this idea. So super cute. And let me show you how I used it on a card. Well, I made a card base because I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this on a card or a flip book, but there is another coffee mug that I made, and again using that glitter from Recollections, the Pink and Main bow die. I did die cut out a spider, and he is out of foam just to give it some dimension. And this is that postage stamp die, and it is it has a little bit of what is this called? It's like it's little dots around it, so it's super cute. I'll try to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about, but it's around the entire die. This is a little chipboard piece that I got from Tuesday Morning. I think it was like in the Pebbles chipboard sticker pack that I picked up. And then this super cute little ghost is another die from my stash. I believe this is a Little Inker Designs ghost die that I picked up a long time ago. It's been in my stash for a while. So really cute. This would make a really cute card or a really cute page on a flip book. So I love the way that came out. And then my last little share right here is using that Christmas stocking. And I used several dies to create this, and I don't know what made me decide to use the stocking for Halloween, but I just went with it and I like the way it came out. So this could actually be a super cute card or just an embellishment on a gift bag. I mean, it could be whatever you want, but I just love the way it came out. I used my Sizzix Ghost dies, which is a big die that I've had in my stash. I die cut out the word happy, and I did pop it up on foam to give it dimension. I used some recollection bling up here, and then this is where I used that skeleton die cut and added my little pink and mane bow die. I die cut out the word Halloween, and again it is popped up on foam to give it dimension, and I just used some fun pattern paper that I had recently picked up, I believe from Tuesday morning. But it's just really fun. I love the way this came out. So that is it. That is my project share for Saturday Morning Crafts. Make sure you check the description box below and visit all of the ladies that are in the collaboration. Leave me a comment, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.